My name is Dan Woodard. I'm the UK HR Manager and Global CSR Manager. I started work for EC in September 2007 as an English language teacher, and then moved into academic management, and then finally moved into the HR department. So it's quite a varied role because it's a split role essentially. On the one hand, I'm dealing with regional HR, so that's all the things you'd associate with HR to do with contracts and benefits and various things like that. There's also the engagement aspect, which I'm quite heavily involved in, and also staff recognition is something that I'm involved in on the HR front. The other side of my role is corporate social responsibility, and that's something I tackle from a global perspective. So that's a lot more about working remotely with our teams around the world, gathering data and making sure that we are keeping up on our commitments to being an ethical organisation. I think one of the things about working for EC is that it's a very, very dynamic company. We're always looking to better ourselves in terms of the market, but also in terms of our product. And I think CSR plays a key part of that because we're one of the few TEFL organisations that actually does have quite an in-depth CSR policy. And for me, that's a key part of working for EC, the ability to be able to take on new ideas and move them forward. I think EC's been really quite pivotal in my career, in as much as before I took on this current role, all I had, my experience of CSR was nothing more than a passion for CSR. It was a combination of EC's willingness to invest in me to develop CSR and CSR strategy, which enabled me to do additional studies and to gather that experience and to network and to get myself in the position today where I'm a global CSR manager. I can't think of any other company where I'd be able to start from the ground up and to develop a CSR strategy in the way that I've done. So it's been a really great opportunity.